When considering Danubius hotels, there are 7 essential things you need to know before making any decisions. From their overall offerings to what sets them apart from competitors, you're about to learn everything you need to make an informed choice. First, let's talk about the locations. Danubius Hotels has a strong presence in Europe, particularly in Hungary, Slovakia, and the Czech Republic. Unlike some global hotel chains that focus heavily on big cities, Danubius offers a more regional, boutique feel, providing great access to spa resorts and wellness destinations. If you're looking for an escape to relax and rejuvenate, their hotels offer something more specialized than the typical international brands. And while places like Marriott or Hilton might dominate in larger cities, Danubius stands out in terms of regional appeal, especially for wellness-focused travelers. Next thing, their spa and wellness services. Danubius hotels are renowned for their focus on health and wellness, with many of their locations offering extensive spa treatments, including thermal baths. If you're someone who enjoys combining relaxation with self-care, you'll find that they're a step ahead of many competitors in offering these services directly on-site. Many luxury hotels claim to have spas, but Danubius really integrates these experiences into the core of their brand. For travelers seeking rejuvenation, this could be a game changer compared to the more conventional wellness options of global hotel chains. The third thing to consider is their pricing structure. Danubius hotels offer a more mid-range to upper mid-range pricing compared to luxury chains like Four Seasons or Ritz-Carlton, but with services that sometimes rival those high-end competitors, particularly in terms of wellness. For those who want to enjoy a high-quality experience without the luxury price tag, Danubius is a sweet spot in the market. Of course, they can't quite compete with the ultra-luxury offerings, but when it comes to value for money, they stand tall among similarly priced regional chains. The fourth thing you need to know is the dining experience. Danubius hotels often feature traditional and local cuisine, which sets them apart from more globally focused hotel chains. If you're looking to explore the culture of the country you're visiting through food, this is where they shine. Their restaurants focus heavily on regional delicacies, and while some larger chains may have international menus, you won't get the same level of authentic local flavor as you would with Danubius. The fifth thing is the loyalty program. If you're a frequent traveler, you might be wondering if they have any loyalty perks. Unlike bigger chains that have sprawling reward systems, Danubius offers a more straightforward program that caters specifically to returning guests. They may not offer the same level of perks as a global chain like Hilton Honors, but for loyal customers, they provide great benefits tailored to a more personalized experience. The fewer gimmicks means you get exactly what you need, especially if you're already a fan of the brand. The sixth point is their service consistency. Danubius hotels pride themselves on service, with a strong emphasis on personalized guest experiences. However, unlike large global chains where consistency can sometimes be an issue due to size and location differences, Danubius manages to maintain a high level of guest satisfaction across their hotels. That said, not every Danubius hotel is perfect. Expect slight variations in service depending on location, but overall, the experience tends to be above average. The seventh and final thing you need to know is how you can try it out for yourself. If you're wondering whether or not to book your stay, here's a pro tip. Check the link in the description below. You can get the best offer for Danubius hotels, and in some cases, even experience a completely free trial. Why not give it a go and see if it's the right fit for you? The first link below will direct you to some exclusive offers you won't find elsewhere. If you want to try out Danubius hotels, click the first link in the description to get the best offer for your next getaway and enjoy exclusive benefits.